Hello and welcome back. Unfortunately, this video was filmed right before we left to work, so there's no real structure through it. So I'm here months later narrating you through it. So very first thing on the list, which we really wanted to make sure we get done, is make a bigger bed for ourselves. So Luis's stepdad thankfully helped us with that, and now we have a bed of the width of like 1.20 meters, which is obviously way bigger than the one we had before, so that's a big plus. Second on the list that day was also to kind of create this surfboard rack that is one of my favorites in the whole apartment, and Luis and his stepdad also did that. And then we also built a little table for the cuddle corner, which we had our first proper meal on with Luis's family, which was really special. Obviously, we needed the bathroom shelf to be back up just to have a little more storage, so the next big thing that we really wanted to have in this apartment is have our longboards here. So we actually decided to mount them to the wall, and thankfully Luis did all of that while I was away. That was really kind of him. And so yeah, right when I came back, they were hanging on the wall, and we were so glad to have them with us like every day. And it's just a good reminder to the surfing lifestyle, even if you cannot surf right now. So big plus.
There's no point without you.
Luis also loves surf magazines, and he has collected a lot of them so far, so he wanted to really make sure to display them in this apartment, so up on the wall they went. We didn't actually film any of it, but we did a stop at IKEA and kind of got some of the essentials and also add-ons that we really wanted to have for this new apartment. And in this clip, we're kind of speed unboxing and speed assembling them. Along that, we have a new lamp for the cuddle corner. We kind of have this stool/shelf situation, which I can get used to get up to the upper compartments in the kitchen, which is really nice. We also got some new compartments for the clothes to fit in, a second fake plant for the bathroom, and new linen for the bigger bed. For the cuddle corner, also this name just established randomly, but I think it's so fucking cute. So for the cuddle corner, we also got big outdoor pillows kind of to just have a little bit of a couch assembly, I guess. And it's been in great use ever since we've started assembling it, and it's like definitely one of the favorite places in this apartment. Aha! Also hier, lower back is ein bisschen unsupported. There are still some changes that I want to make to this place, like getting some more shelves for the clothes and the books to have a little bit more of an easier storage and also hang up a few art pieces. But this is definitely the big bulk of the decorating done, and I'm so super excited to be in this place and have it be a little bit more homey. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed, and in the next video we're gonna do a deep clean, deep cluttering, so stay tuned for that next Sunday. Bye bye!